Kia ora e hoa mā, ko Scotty Morrison tōku ingoa. My name is Scotty Morrison and welcome to Māori Language Week, the best week of the year here in Aotearoa. Now, he mea nui kia tika te whakahua i ngā ingoa Māori me ngā kupu Māori. It's really important that we give it a genuine attempt to pronounce Māori names and Māori words properly. So just out here, we have this wonderful, beautiful, magnificent island called Rangitoto here in Tāmaki Kōrero. Now, the key to pronouncing Rangitoto properly are the vowel sounds, the A and Ra. The NG sound also sounds like singer, the NG sound in the word singer. So you got Ra, Ngi, and then the O sound on Toto. Ra, Ngi, Toto, Rangitoto. Now, you're getting off lightly today because the full name of that island out there is Te Rangi I Toto ai Te Ihu o Tama Te Kapua, named after my beautiful, wonderful ancestor Tama Te Kapua. So that's the full name, Te Rangi I Toto ai Te Ihu o Tama Te Kapua, known now as Rangitoto. Give it a go. Hīkoia te kōrero e hoa mā, walk the talk, and kia kaha te Reo Māori.